with me. I mean, he keeps touching me unnecessarily, and it makes me really uncomfortable. What do I do? Okay, so if today he tries the same stunt with me, I think I'll set him right. Yeah, yeah.
Wanna be my chum? Hello, hi Farah.
Hi Oix, just have a seat.
So, what's your progress?
Yeah, I have prepared the PowerPoint.
Tell me. What's that?
See Rohit, there are certain things I want to clear out between us. You keep touching me unnecessarily and I just don't like it. It makes me very uncomfortable. I'm a girl, there's a certain level of decency that you should, maintain. A working relationship. I have to be comfortable while working with you. You got it?
Okay, cool. Sorry, yeah. It will happen again.
Yeah, I hope it doesn't happen again.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
कॉम्पिटेंस पढ़ रहा है
वही डिस्कस कर वी हैव अ प्रेजेंटेशन टुमारो फाइनल तो करेंगे देख इधर हॉट सिजलिंग दैट वी टेक चल छोड़ जा
Hi guys.
हाय फरा
Y'all do remember that we have David sir's presentation, right, on Wednesday?
या वी रिमेंबर
Yeah, so what have you all decided?
actually what I've decided is that we'll do something unique. What I'm planning is that we have 5 techniques. So we'll do a video shooting of each technique and we'll show them to the audience.
Yeah, that's a very great idea and a unique one also.
Guys, I somehow don't approve of this idea. I feel a PPT, a normal PPT would be better. I think we should stick to it.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah.
Actually what I'm telling to say is you're not getting it. It will create a uniqueness. It will create an impact. People will get bored of the three groups PPT.
Yeah, you saw it last time also. No one paid any attention to any of the PPTs. So this is a very nice idea.
Okay, so what we could do is just run through the PPT first for a short while, and then you all could show your video. How's that?
Yeah,
That's sure. That's a very great idea.
That's
So we'll
fine.
stick to it.
Yeah, we'll stick to it.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Fine.
That's going to come in a short while now.
So we have to finish the script by day end, otherwise he'll fire us.
Yeah.
It's really becoming a big mess.
Is it done? Is the script ready? I wanted it right now.
We'll do in some time.
How much time are you going to take? I've told it, I don't know how many days back. The ship's already sunk. The whole movie setup is ready. Everything is ready. The raft is ready. We got the water vibrating and everything. Will you all please get it done right now?
So we are trying our level best.
Yogesh, I don't know how many times to tell you, man. I need it right now. We cannot put it off like this. The costs go too high. Do you even understand all that accounting?
I can understand what you are going through, but it
Okay,
takes some
leave
time.
that. When will you give me a deadline? Seriously, I'll throw you guys out. I'm fed up with it. When will you give me the last date?
So by tomorrow I'll certainly give the script will be ready and your story will be as fine as possible, sir. Don't worry about it.
You're sure on the
Please
ending?
trust us,
Yes, sir.
Please
Yes.
trust us.
Can you come to a consensus of what the ending would be?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
We'll work out.
Tomorrow, definitely?
Yes.
तो
Yes.
कुछ बोला तू?
नहीं सर
कल होएगा कि नहीं?
होएगा
Sir,
So
sir,
fine.
tension mत लो, sir. Please.
Cool.
Look, Vikram, now the problem is that whether the ship sinks or not.
Yeah.
We are going to sink for sure if we don't work out and come to a consensus.
Yeah, that's right.
So-
I think that the hero must be drowned.
The hero must be drowned, but if the hero drowns, then people will have a negative effect on it. No one wants the hero to die. Everyone wants the villain to die, isn't it?
Yeah, but I think this is the uniqueness in a movie that the hero will die in the end.
Okay, so you also have a point, and let's get your thing done. I want to give you a chance. You are my junior. You have been my junior for
Thank
so
you,
many
sir.
years.
Thank you,
So
sir.
let's try your idea.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, good start.
Hi Sujay, what are you doing?
Actually I'm working on David sir's PPT. We have to present it on Wednesday.
But I guess Miss Vora's presentation is also on Wednesday. We have to present that also.
Yeah, I know that. What I'm planning is that we'll first finish off with David sir's PPT
Okay.
and then we'll move on to Vora's man PPT.
But I guess that's more important because Miss Vora really looks everything into detail. She has analyzed everything on the big screen. She gives us feedback in front of the entire class. It's really embarrassing for us if we don't present it nicely.
Yeah, I know that, but what I'm saying is that David sir also analyzes you silently. He has done last time. You haven't analyzed that.
I think yes, but then Miss Vora's presentation is before the interval. We will have no time to prepare for it. So I guess that should be more prioritable.
No, you are not understanding me, man. I have completed half of the presentation of David sir. Will finish off this first and then we'll move on to oral.
I think you should do that first. If you want to do this first, it's okay. I just walk out of the group. You don't have to represent everything. Fine. Thanks.
Sujay, so how was your presentation?
It was very pathetic, and it is all this because of this Vinny.
And Vineet, how was your presentation?
Who let the media in? Get away! Hi Sujay, what are you doing?
Hi Vinny. Actually, I'm working on Davidson's presentation. We have to present it on Wednesday.
Alright, but I guess we have to do Miss Vora's presentation as well, right?
Yeah, you're right. What I'm planning is that we'll first finish off this Davidson's presentation today.
Okay.
And then we'll work on Vora's ma'am presentation.
But I think you should do that before because she thinks everything into detail and she takes everything into the last screen and gives us feedback on it. I think we should do that before and give more time to that.
Yeah, but you're right. But what happens is that Davidson also analyzes you silently.
Okay.
So that's the reason I will complete it today.
Okay.
And what's the reason is that I've completed half of the PPT today.
Oh, that's great. Then I'll also come and join. We'll do that tomorrow.
Okay, fine. Anyhow.
That's great.
Station. Hi friends. These both are working on a project. And Siddharth's girlfriend call him every day at 11:15. And this irritates Farah. And this creates a conflict between them. Let's see what happens today. Over.
Hello. Hi, darling. Tonight? Yes, ma'am. Yes, sure, bilkul. Yeah, sure. Right? Yeah. 11:15, right? Yeah. Love you, darling. Yeah, love you.